How to verify Western Union account. So before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to westernunion.com and then simply log in into your account. Then you're gonna get redirected here. So all you have to do is simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner. And then basically what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your first and last name. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your address. Then you're gonna have to simply enter your zip code, city, state, then the phone type. So as you can see here, you're gonna have to choose mobile, home, office, then the country code, and then simply enter your phone number. Now the next step is to simply enter your date of birth. And after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on the save button, and basically that's all you have to do in order to basically verify your Western Union account. Then you can easily go back to the send money tab, and then you can start sending money to your friends or other people around the world. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.